Good day, Mom. The literary pieces that I choose is Romeo and Juliet, which is a central conflict arises from the deep-rooted feud between the Montagues and Capulets. This external conflict drives the lovers to act as secrecy, creating tension between personal desire and social expectation. Internally, Romeo and Juliet also face the conflict of choosing between loyalty to their families or loyalty to each other. Their inability to open, reconcile love, their duty, their downfall. Shakespeare uses this conflict to highlight how hatred between groups can destroy even the purest of human emotions. The story of Romeo and Juliet shows how love can be both powerful and fragile when surrounded by hate. Their love was true and strong, yet it was born in the middle of the bitter feud between their families. The conflict between the Montagues and Capulets reminds us how grudges and pride can blind people, causing suffering not only for themselves but also for the innocent. It makes me realize how dangerous it is when people hold on anger instead of seeking peace. The symbol of display also bring out deeper meaning. Light often represent the hope and joy that Romeo and Juliet find in each other, even if only for a short time. Darkness, on the other hand, reflects the secrecy and tragedy that surround their love. The poison and dagger in the end are not just tools but dealt with reminders of how destructive both hate and trash decision can be. These symbols made me reflect on how love, while beautiful, can be easily crushed when it is forced to exist in the shadows. What struck me most is how relevant this story still feels today. Many people still face divisions, whether it in families, communities, or even nations, that stop love and understanding from growing. The tragedy of Romeo and Juliet teaches us that love should bring people together, not be destroyed by conflict. By realization is what we all have a choice to continue cycles of hate and division or to choose compassion and peace so that love can truly flourish. I think that would be all, ma'am. Thank you.